Welcome back, Wildcat Revenge fans. It's Tori from T-Rose Bunny's Adventures, back with another construction update on Wildcats Revenge, due to open this summer at Hershey Park. If you've been following along with the channel, welcome back. And if you're new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe, so you can continue to stay up to date on this all-new RMC hybrid coaster coming this summer. We are going to start this video off with some drone footage provided by Alex at the coaster spot. I know you guys liked it so much in the last video, so I figured I'd bring it back into this video and add it to the beginning. Now this view isn't very different from the last one, but they did add the steel batter braces up around the wave turn, and it looks like they are putting some dirt to cover the footers. I think it would be really nice to add some landscaping and give the coaster more character to go with the theme of Wildcats Revenge. They have put in the pavement for the queue line, and they've been putting in the red queue rails. And now, off to the right, you can see two track pieces, but they have been installed. I started making this video a couple days ago, and as you know, Rocky Mountain construction works very fast, so they have been put in place as an update. It's super exciting to say that Wildcats Revenge has been completed. There are no pieces of track left to be installed. We've been watching them tightening up bolts, checking the sensors. I'm pretty sure you've seen some videos going around on Instagram about some small circuit testing by bringing the train into the station, and I'm assuming they were testing the brakes. I really think we will be able to see full circuit testing any day now after all the checks and everything has been completed. They've been putting up the steel batter braces around the wave turn to stabilize the structure even more. Once the roller coaster is complete, I will stop with the construction updates, obviously, because the coaster is finished. We still have not yet have an announcement on opening day. I don't think any of the king-size pass holders have gotten any notification for that, so keep your eyes out for an announcement coming. I really think for the nostalgia of the roller coaster, they will open this on June 16th. Here's one of my reasons why I think this will open after Memorial Day. They still have to put the wooden wall around where the transfer track is, then they have to paint it and put everything together. I'm not exactly sure how long that'll take. I don't think it'll be done by Memorial Day, but I could be wrong. They have 2 weeks, and I mean, they put that lift hill in and tracked it within a day, so that was absolutely pretty amazing. Going up the lift hill, they have put in the lighting package, and I'm curious to see if it's going to be red, white, or maybe they're going to do an off-white, or it could be multicolored. These are what I was talking about earlier in the video, the steel batter braces that have gone up around the wave turn and different parts throughout the roller coaster to make it more stable. I do think they still have to add more around the underflip, but I'm not completely sure, and we will know soon. Alright, back to the nostalgia of the roller coaster. They have put a piece of the original Wildcat on top of where the Wildcats Revenge sign is, where you enter into the roller coaster. The entranceway is really coming together. In the entranceway, they have put up that little thing that is going to hold the sizing chart. They have the sizing chart in the entranceway, and it just really amazes me how they've been able to incorporate the old Wildcat in with the new one. We've got red Q rails put in to separate the regular line from the fast track line. And then we have the security fence more or less being put in. I think you will be able to stand there and take photos or videos of the new ride. I don't think I will be able to make it down to Hershey Park to be able to watch them test the new roller coaster. Unfortunately, I have other obligations, but I will do my best to provide you guys with some footage. I have heard some sources say this is going to be like an Iron Gwazi kind of construction, that once they finish the track, they are going to almost immediately start the testing. And a lot of people think that on Thursday they will start the testing, possibly on Friday, if not even earlier, like the day I post this update here. So I think it's really exciting. I do think they have a lot more inspection to do. Sensors, brakes, and make sure there's enough clearance through all the inversions. I am excited to announce I do have a trip announcement. I will be at Knoebels on Memorial Day, May 29th, and then I will be going to Dorney Park on the 30th, which is a Tuesday. So if you guys are at the park on either day, feel free to say hi. It would be great to meet you guys who make this channel possible and continue the support. I do not have a trip planned to Hershey Park for the season. I am hoping for a media day invitation, like I said in the last video. I think that will be my first trip of the season, and I will hopefully be able to get back to the park after Wildcat Revenge opens. I appreciate you guys coming back and watching this construction update. I don't know if this will be the last one. We are coming up to the tail end of these updates. Ha ha ha. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Wildcat Revenge information, and we will see you guys in the next video.